I kept referring to this as the June 2020 box. This is a big mistake. It is the May 2020 box. The insert clearly shows it. I just wasn't paying attention. They had a huge delay, and I didn't receive my May until much later than May. The June and July boxes are meant to be sent out pretty soon, and I should be receiving them fairly on time, especially the July one. Anyhow, back to the normal programming. Hi all, welcome to this is actually June of 2020 Bombay and Cedar unboxing of both the premium and the mini boxes. As I've done in my prior Bombay and Cedar unboxings, I went ahead and I'll go over all the things in the premium, show you what they look like in the mini as well, and that way both boxes are unboxed at the same time, and anything that's a repeat I just kind of show it off and like, oh, both of these are exactly the same. Bombay and Cedar had a problem sending out, I think, the mini boxes, because I received my mini box like 3 weeks after I received my premium. So I don't know what was going on, but something must have happened, because I didn't get my June mini box until, gosh, must have been July 5th or something. And it's July 15th today. It just obviously it's taken me a while to get around to this. So if you are watching this, thank you so much. You must be a big fan of Bombay and Cedar in order to watch it like 3 weeks late, but whatever. The items that were in here were actually pretty spectacular, and I kind of loved everything. So I'm gonna get right into it. If you like these sort of unboxings, this is really the only one I do that's kind of lifestyle related. Most of my unboxings are fashion related, and usually Stitch Fix with a handful of other things thrown in there as well. From time to time I might do a sewing video, and I'll try to do some Bowden videos. Speaking of Bowden, this is a Bowden jumpsuit that I am wearing today, and it is the perfect temperature to wear this jumpsuit. So anyhow, just thought I'd throw that out there. If you enjoy these, if you wouldn't mind subscribing down below. If you have content, I will subscribe back as well. All right, so here is the actual like pamphlet that they send out. Kind of cracks me up on the back. It says, share to receive 500 reward points. And it says 3 easy steps. Post a photo of your May box. Oh, May box on Instagram by June 30th. Okay, I thought they were going to tell you your June box by June 30th. And I'm like, well, if it had come by June 30th, you probably could have. Anyway, so they meant the May box. All right, fine. It's not as funny as I thought it would be. All right, so what's in the box? Here's the side that shows all the items in their photographic form, and then here are the items written out for you to look at. So we'll go ahead and just do this in order. The one that I always start with, and the one they always start with, is what they're known for, which is their essential oils. And their essential oils are incredible. They smell beautiful, and they actually give you information on how to use these oils in your daily life. Everything from facial sprays to cleansing items to things that are just meant for more of the aromatherapeutic benefits, like putting them in a diffuser. So all sorts of different ways of using them. And of course, here I am struggling to find the cards that tell you how to use them, but I know they're in the mini box, so I'll go ahead and grab those. So the mini box and the premium box both have the same oils, okay? And they both come in these burlap tie pouches. And these are different depending on, I've gotten everything from beautiful roses on them to like iCat print. This one this month has a little cute dandelion print here. And then this one is just, looks like pine trees. Okay. This month we received a citronella essential oil and a pink grapefruit essential oil. And the citronella makes sense in this month because we're in summer and most of the United States has mosquitoes, and citronella is a wonderful way of naturally keeping mosquitoes and bugs off of you. And it says it's known for its sweet aroma. Citronella essential oil is commonly used as a natural insect repellent, but its uses and benefits extend beyond keeping bugs at bay. It's also beneficial in lifting one's mood, promoting wound healing, easing the mind, and plenty more. Wound healing, speaking of. So I don't know if any of you know the band TV on the radio, I'm sure you do, but their Seeds album, I've got like, it's starting to fade a bit, but I had this bright bruise here from tubing a few weeks ago, and it created the shape of the Seeds album cover, which I think is just hilarious because it's one of my favorite albums. So maybe it was intentional. Anyway, so maybe that would have helped with the wound healing there. I don't know. I'll have to look into citronella and its wound healing capabilities. It says it blends well with lemon, bergamot, cedarwood, clary sage, eucalyptus, geranium, lavender, peppermint, pine, rosemary, sandalwood, and tree tea. And so because it's they're both citrus based, they could probably be put together and create like a nice smell. There's the citronella essential oil card. I'm actually not a huge fan of the citronella smell. I think it's very overpowering. And as soon as I opened these boxes, you smelled it. It's just like, even though it was completely closed, you could smell it. The pink grapefruit is definitely one of my favorites though. And it says here that grapefruit is a hybrid between the sweet orange and the Indonesian pomelo. The oil is produced by cold pressing the rind to create an oil true to the aroma of the actual fruit. Wonderful to diffuse throughout the air for a fresh and invigorating aroma. And it says that it boosts the immune system, eliminates and prevents infections, and inhibits microbial infections. Okay, relieves depression, controls appetite, increases urination. Whoa, look at that, all this stuff. Acts as a tonic, treats stiffness and cramps in muscles. Okay, so the green one is the citronella, and pink one is the pink grapefruit. And they both have exactly what you'd expect smell-wise. So that very pungent, strong citronella smell. I have made my own bug spray from items that I've been sent from Bombay and the Cedar in the past, and they are really welcome. Oh, the pink grapefruit just smells amazing though. That is one of my favorite smells in all of, I like the citrus smells quite a bit. The citrus smells and anything that's like woods based or forest based, like the smell of pine or fir or any of those are my favorite smells. So those are each $16, so $32 for two. I'm probably going to give one of these to a friend of mine who likes essential oils as well, because I don't need two sets. Okay, next is the kettle cooked potato chips by Carolina Kettle, and I got two different flavors. In my premium, I received the Southern Twang Salt and Balsamic Vinegar, and then in my mini, I received Outer Banks Sea Salt. So different regions of our country, or different regions, excuse me, of North Carolina. And it says it's out of Raleigh, North Carolina. You know, I've actually never seen these in the store. Maybe they're in the stores and I just bypass them. So around here, Utz is very, very popular because Utz is out of Pennsylvania. And every once in a while I'll see like off brands like this, or not, they're not off brands, but brands I don't see very often. So I'll have to look for the Carolina Kettle. Harris Teeter's a North Carolina grocery store, so they probably sell these there. I've just never noticed. So now, if I like them, I will be picking some up for our family. All right, those are $1.29 each. Okay. The next one is something really awesome and something I need to use just in my daily life, because I always have a need to brush my hair or comb my hair in the middle of the day. And it's the Graphic Wallet Comb by Go Comb, and both the mini and the premium had them. And I actually may have taken the one from the mini and already put it away for use by me. So I don't see it here, but I'll just show you the one from the premium. It is $5. And this one looks like the desert. I believe my other one had kind of a cool graphic look to it. I don't know where I put it, but if I find, oh, here it is. Sorry, it's a floral. The mini had the floral. It was hiding beneath the tissue paper. But they are very small. I'll go ahead and unwrap the, I'll do the desert one. I'm feeling very desert-like in this outfit. And it basically just is one of these, it's wide tooth, so if your hair is dry and it's not particularly tangled, it should work pretty well. So you just go through, you just kind of comb through. And I find that I get tangles sometimes during the middle of the day, but I don't want to use a brush. I just want to kind of get them out. And so it works very well. And it fits, it's the same size as a credit card, so that's why it's called wallet sized. So both of those in both the medium, premium and the mini. Okay, so the below included in both the premium and mini. Now these were what I was most excited about. So if you know me in real life, I've probably mentioned this to you. I think it would be so cool to have a tattoo, but I'm also adverse to pain. But I don't want to put on a temporary tattoo that's going to disappear the next day. But then I saw these and I'm like, oh, it's perfect. So these last, these are temporary tattoos and they're very unique looking. And I think these last more than just one day. You have to remove with rubbing alcohol, hand sanitizer, or baby oil. Okay, so it says these are $12 each. They're the hand-drawn temporary tattoos, both of mine, and I will be keeping both of these because I will absolutely use them. They have everything from little flowers to dinosaurs. Super cute. And it says Danny Edna created chic and creative temporary tattoos inspired by her hand-drawn design. With their signature on-trend style and worldwide fan base, Inked by Danny is redefining temporary tattoos in a whole new world of upscale wearable art. So they look like they're completely sealed. Otherwise I would open them up. I don't even have my scissors with me or anything to get these out. But I am very much looking forward to trying these and showing them off on my Instagram page. So if any of you are Insta people, I do have an Instagram page. I tend to do more the Dina Gideon one, which is my fashion-based one. But every once in a while, I'll post to the one that's based for my YouTube one, which is Dina is Dazzled. Here I'm trying to, oh, I think I did it one. Yes, I did, okay. All right, I'm not gonna put one on right now, but you can at least see what they look like. They're probably pretty small because they're in this teeny little package. But yeah, here we go. I'll just pull out, let's just do this one. So, but I love that they are so unique and they can they look like they were actually inked on you properly as opposed to us wimpy people who can't handle the pain. So anyway, at one point or another, I may get a tattoo, but if I were to do one, it would be really tiny and probably like right here or something. All right. Next up is both packages received this, and this is the last mini item. The Exfoliating Foot Mask by Grace and Stella. And I got, it looks like two separate, I don't know why they're two different colors. Whatever. They're $20 each. They're meant to, these are the ones where if you use them and you put them on for an hour, they say that your feet start to peel, like all the dried skin peels off for days and days and days. I don't know if I want to do this during the summer, but that's the time you're supposed to use it because you're showing off your feet in the summer. So I'm like, I don't know about this. Maybe I'll just do it next spring. And I'll try one in the fall and then I'll try it again in the spring to get my feet ready for summer. But again, I have no idea why one is orange and one is yellow, but they look like the same exact item. I guess the quote changed. One of them says, use this and you'll be showing your feet off. No, they say the same exact thing. I don't know. Whatever. This one matches my outfit better, so I'll show this one off. I mean, like, it's weird. There's two separate colors. Okay. I should probably not worry about it so much, but it seems odd. All right. Now, the premium box had 3 additional items. It had the Artisan Brew Bread Mix by Sourdough, then the Pocket Pal Hot Cold Pad by Gamago, and then the Cover Up or Kimono by Shirley or Loff. And the Artisan Brew Bread Mix, I remember we were able to choose it. And I chose the, which one did I choose? I think, because you could go on as a premium member and choose, oh, the Hatch Green Chili Cheddar. I don't make bread. I don't know how to make bread, but apparently this is pretty easy to do. This is $10. It's handcrafted in Nashville. And sourdough is the easiest and most delicious bread. Just pour it in the beer, stir and bake. And then they even tell you like what type of beer to drink with it. Cool. And what type to use with it. So for craft beer fans, use pale ales and American lagers. So I'll give that a shot and enjoy it. Maybe because it's a Hatch Green Chili Cheddar, maybe with like a Mexican meal. That would be yummy to eat with it. All right, the Pocket Pal Hot Cold Pad by Gamago. Mine is this adorable little llama. says heat me up in the microwave and I will keep you warm. It's lavender infused. You can also use it cold. Heat in the microwave or pop in the freezer. I probably would pop it in the freezer because I get migraines, and in the middle of the night sometimes I wake up with one, and to have something to put on my neck really helps. Or right there on where my pain is. Ooh, got a lot of stuff. So maybe like that would be nice. But it's super cute. If you have a little kid, this would be something that would help with the ouchies that they get sometimes. Yeah, okay. But it doesn't, I don't know if there's other versions, but this llama is adorable. All right, and finally, last but not least, is the biggest item of the bunch. Oh, by the way, the pocket towel is $14. The Cover Up or Kimono by Shirley or Loft. Mine, I picked out, again, you could choose yours. This is by, I got the Shirley. It's one size. I chose a cover up as opposed to a kimono. It's an embroidered mint color. And it has the tie in the front. I've tried it on. It fits nicely. It's very loose, obviously. See-through, just the way, you know, it's a cover up for a bathing suit, so obviously. It's not something I'm going to wear out in public except to like the beach or the pool. Yeah, it's really sweet, really pretty. I love this pink and navy embroidery with it, and this trim, very pretty. Okay, so that is it for the June 2020 Bombay and Cedar box. I hope you enjoyed viewing what I got in mine. They're probably similar to what you got in yours. If you received it, would you let me know which sober dough did you choose and which cover up did you choose? And you know, if you want to tell me, what was the other one that was a weird, like, did you get the llama? I'm actually just curious. All right, I really look forward to doing these, and I appreciate all of you watching and viewing, and I will see you here for July of 2020, hopefully in July. Bye.